In this video, I will show you how to navigate WaveSpeed AI, the ultimate AI media generation platform for creating professional-grade visuals. Starting on the homepage, you can see the diverse range of models available, including the new GPT Image 2, which is a thinking image model designed to better understand complex prompts and produce production-ready results with high text accuracy. As we scroll, you will notice the intuitive interface where you can choose between image, video, avatar, and audio generation. For example, if you want a professional headshot or an editorial product shot of a skincare bottle, you simply select the C-Dream 5.0 Pro model and enter your description into the prompt box. The platform features a massive library of specialized tools from top developers like ByteDance and OpenAI. You can explore featured models such as CDance 2.0 for image-to-video transitions or even video-to-video editing with turbo speeds. Many of these, like the CDance Video Extend and Text-to-Video tools, currently offer a 10% discount on generation costs. Whether you are extending a clip or using the Nano Banana 2 model for creative tasks, the process is streamlined to help you generate high-quality content quickly. This walkthrough covers how to pick the right model for your specific project needs. Thanks for watching this overview of WaveSpeed AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more AI workflows, and let me know in the comments which model you are most excited to try first.